Here's a brother who is crying to the public. The brother is called Shabawa Matuke. I think you can go to his official social media platforms to get the full video. He has a plea and would like some help from whoever that is able to help.
Stand by, guys. You know, ngenza le video, I'm just not okay. I'm not okay. You know, ngizozama ukungena endabeni. I'm just emotional. You know, and I'm doing this video asking for help. You know, I'm seeking for help. Because I just can't afford to keep on witnessing this whole thing again and again and again. So this is what's happening there. I'm a last born kid, like her. Here last born. I stay with my mom. Naba shana bam abantwana bakasisi wami two. By two, then kube the cousin yethu sesihlala naye suke emakhaya. So labantwana bakasisi wami, one of them, he's like 15 years, yeah, buma 14, 15, then lo mncane wentombazane una buma 9 years, somewhere there, you know. And yeah, man, sikhuliswa uma lately as a single parent. I chill again nami ngizame empilweni, and I got a job. Ngacala ngokunceda la ekhaya to buy groceries and everything, you know. And I just wanted to be a good uncle, you know, to abantwana basisi wami, because I know how it feels ukhula unganababa or ukhula ungazi ubaba wakho, you know. I know how it feels. So I didn't want that to happen to abantwana basisi wami.